In the digital cosmos, a new power is rising: AI agents, autonomous, intelligent, and tireless. As we race to build them, we lean on powerful frameworks. Are we mastering our tools or becoming dependent on their design? First, there's AutoGen, a world of conversational agents, flexible and dynamic, allowing agents to collaborate and solve tasks together, a vision of a digital society that requires careful orchestration. Then the giant, LangChain, a vast library of components to chain together, offering immense power to build complex applications from the ground up, yet its depth can be a labyrinth of dependencies. Enter CrewAI, bringing order with a focus on roles, tasks, and processes. Like a well-oiled machine, agents collaborate with clear purpose, simplifying complexity. But does its structure limit creativity? Finally, SuperAGI, aimed at building truly autonomous systems that run for long periods, a step towards digital independence. But as we grant more autonomy, what is our role? AutoGen, LangChain, CrewAI, SuperAGI? Each is a different path, a different philosophy on control, collaboration, and creation. The choice is not just about code. It's about the future we build with these powerful new minds. Like, share and subscribe to keep your tech knowledge ahead of the game.